Hi guys, another video from the Terpene Man on the project of getting a 603 pump onto a 606 engine. I have 7.7 millimeter elements into the pump, and I was facing it and calibrating it on the mini lathe, and now I have it on the engine, and I'm just checking that everything is working the way it should. So this is my setup. Here you have an injector connected over to the cylinder, and I'm simply just checking the amount by having this one syringe. I don't know if you can see it, but there's writings on that one. They're quite accurate, so it's easy to see. So what I do is I have the engine running. I put this under and I press the stopwatch for 30 seconds, and then this is in idle, and then I check the amount that comes out, and I checked all 6 cylinders and everything is absolutely perfect. I have about 11 cc per minute. So now I'm going to start the car and process so you can see how it works. Back again. Count 30 seconds. And there's your amount. You can measure it accurately.